Hi guys, my name is Tyler Morris with MarineMax. Today we're on this 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. I'm going to give you all a quick walkthrough of the boat. If you come to the rear area of the boat, you'll see we've got a nice boarding ladder. This boat does have the teak accent package on it, so that boarding ladder has teak around it. We've got nice transom jump seats. You can see we've got our JL audio package installed on this boat. You make your way forward to the helm area. So you've got a nice flip back console with a live well underneath. Up at the console, we've got a Simrad MFD display with charts and transducer, your Mercury SmartCraft gauge, your JL head unit, and your shift binnacle. We've also got 3 cup holders up at the helm area. Make your way to the bow, you'll see this boat does have the fish package on it, so we've got some rod holders here as well as a seat with an igloo cooler with a cushion on top. Up at the bow area, this boat does come pre-rigged for a trolling motor, and underneath these cushions, you'll have storage for life jackets, anchor, and anything like that. If you're interested to learn more about this boat, once again, my name is Tyler Morris, and please give me a shout.